Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have my very first Freya NYC handbag unboxing. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a handbag unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I do have this unboxing. I know that I literally just did an unboxing. However, I also got this bag because Freya was doing their friends and family or like a 25 for 20% off sale. I think it was 25 actually. It is, yeah, it's 25% off and it's still going on. So as I'm filming this, when I post it, it's in its final few days. That's what it says because today is Black Friday. So I got this for 25% off. I've been eyeing this bag for a while. It was in my video where I talked about contemporary handbags that are on my radar. So this bag was in that video and now I just thought it was the perfect time to snag it, and now here we are doing an unboxing. So I will of course show you what it looks like. I will show you everything that fits inside. We'll go over some details regarding the bag and that'll be that. Just so I don't keep you any longer, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I did already show this on the vlog, so if you do not watch my vlogs, then definitely come watch the vlogs because I do typically show all of my unboxings first on the vlog, so it kind of gives you incentive to watch the vlogs if you want to see it first. I have that vlog linked down below so you can go watch it. But here is this. Here is what the dust bag looks like. It says Freya NYC. I don't know if it's Freya or like Freja, I don't know, but that is the dust bag. And if it's very tall, if you are like well versed in Freya NYC bags, then you might already know what type of bag this is because the dust bag is pretty tall. And then we have these little things. Oh my god, you guys. She's still so cute. So here's what she looks like. She is currently stuffed. Let me take all of her stuffing out and then I will show her to you properly. So here is what she looks like when she is all put together. She is so cute. So this is literally giving the Alaya Lateco bag. Literally, it is the Alaya Lateco bag, except this bag was originally $268 and then with the 25% off, I got it for like $201. Insane, such a good deal, such a good sale as well. Here is what this bag looks like. And you can see I got this in the color espresso. They have not a ton, but a few different colors. Let me go to the website and I'll do a cute little I don't know why I think it's cute, but I'll do a screen recording so you can see all of the different colors. So it looks like a lot of them are on pre-order right now because I know these are really popular. Like I didn't realize how popular these were. So I'm gonna pop up a screen recording right here. So it is the Mini Christie, that is the name of the bag, and they have this color in oat, which I was gonna get this one. I was gonna get the more beigey color one. And then I also looked at the pistachio one, which is so cute as well. Love that kind of like olivey green color. And then of course they have the espresso one, which is the one that I got. And then they also have a black, which I do believe the black is currently, it's on pre-order. So it was initially sold out, but they did get a few more in, so now it's on pre-order. Very, very cool. I really think this bag is adorable. Again, for the price as well, I think you really can't beat it. It's so cute. Let me pop up a picture of the Alaya Lateco bag as well so you can see the difference. This bag is between, I think, $1,500 to like $2,500 depending on the size you get. And this bag was $200. And it's literally giving the same vibe, which I think is amazing. So you have this really, really long strap drop, if you can see that right there. So even if you're wearing like a thick sweater or a coat, you can still easily put this on your shoulder like that. even if you're wearing like a bigger bulky piece. And then here is the actual body of the bag. Here's what the front looks like. It only has the Freya little symbol, like logo right there. It doesn't have any hardware on the bag either. It's very minimal. And then here's the side, here's the other side, and it does not have feet either. It also has this little thing at the top that keeps the straps together. Again, I feel like this is just so popular right now, like this little device. I don't know why it's so popular, but I feel like every single company is doing that, but I usually just like it open like this. And then I can just kind of move this to the bottom. And then on the inside, I want to say it's like a burgundy interior. Yeah, it's kind of like a grape wine interior on the inside. And if you can see, like it does open up relatively wide. So like it looks like this. It's a bit smaller and a bit more like squished, and then you open it up like this, and it's got like a pretty wide opening. Like it's got a pretty big base. So like this bag looks really small, but like I really don't think it's very small at all. We are gonna do everything that fits inside, of course, so I will show you that. Let's go over some like dimensions. First up, the product details. It says that it is thin rolled handles with strap clip. And then it says 2 interior slip pockets. Oh, it actually does have a key clip. I forgot to show you that. So it does have 2 interior pockets right here, if you can see that. Right in there. And then hopefully you're gonna be able to see this. I don't know, it's kind of hard to show, but it does have a little key clip right there. I don't think it's focused because my hand's in the way, but it is in there. So that is one thing that it does have. And then let's see, the dimensions. It is 11 inches in length. It is 4.5 inches high. And then it is 3.6 inches in depth, or like width, if you will. So those are the dimensions, and then I do believe this is faux leather. I know that I was wrong in the Songmon unboxing recently because it said on the listing that it was vegetable tanned leather. So I thought that meant that it was faux or like vegan leather, but a few people in the comments were telling me, no, that just means that it's vegetable tanned. It's still leather. So the Songmon bag that I actually have right here, my Songmon bag, is real leather as well. So let me just clarify that. Yeah, so this one even says that it's vegan leather. It says handmade in our custom developed pebbled vegan ultra fiber leather and lined in our signature Merlot ultra fabric or ultra fiber. Feels like leather. So this bag is a faux leather bag. So if you are somebody that does not like the idea of having real leather on your handbags, then Freya NYC would be a really good alternative, because I do think a lot of their bags, if not all of their bags, I can't say all, but I think a lot of their bags are this kind of faux leather or vegan leather, if you will. So that's perfect. Love this. I think this is just so fun. This is so different. And also, if you are looking for like a very trendy piece, if you're looking for something along the lines of the Alaya Lateco bag where you don't want to spend upwards of $2,000, this is a great alternative. You can get the same look for a lot less. And this is a really, really good sturdy bag as well. So this one will last you a very long time. Let's go into what fits in this bag, because this bag is very long, but it's not very tall. So it might be a tiny bit tricky on what can actually fit, because some things that fit in my bags may not fit in this one because they're too tall, but we'll see. Starting off with my iPhone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I know that this is gonna go in here, no problem. It does. It's no big deal. It just goes in just fine. So if you are someone that puts your phone in your bag, this bag will carry your phone. I usually either just carry it in my hand or I put it in my pocket. So my current bag that I've been wearing like every single day is the Songmon Your bag. I did that unboxing a few days ago. I'll have that link down below if you didn't see that video. So in here I have my mini pochette accessoire. Inside of this I do have a mirror, I have my hand sanitizer, I have ibuprofen, and then I have a little lip gloss. Will that fit inside of this bag? So this is already kind of what I'm saying. Normally the mini pochette accessoire would fit in any small medium to medium size bag, but I don't know if this is going to fit because it's tall. You can even see it. So like, will it close properly? Yeah, it closes properly. Does it have the same amount of slouch? So I took it out. Does it have the same amount of like slouch if I put this in and then close it? I can't tell. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think it does. Oh, also, this is a magnetic closure as well. At the top here, you have these two little circles. These are the magnets, and then when you fold this part down, there's two more circles on this side, and then they just connect down there. So it is a magnetic closure, and the magnets are pretty strong. So I've got my mini pochette accessoire in here, and then I do have some sunglasses. I have a little sunglasses case. So let's see, this will definitely fit because it's a wide bag. So let's see. Yeah, that fits. Ooh, okay, so there's not as much space in this bag as I thought. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit my wallet in here. So I will have to kind of figure out what to do. So here's my wallet. Yeah, it doesn't fit. That's crazy. Okay, so I don't think that I can carry my mini pochette accessoire. I genuinely thought that this was going to fit a bit more than it does. I'm gonna put my sunglasses in here first, and then I'll put my wallet. So the wallet goes in there. Fine. And then I took all of the stuff out of my mini pochette accessoire, and then I'm just gonna put them all in here individually, I guess. So I've got my hand sanitizer and my headache medication that can just go in kind of individually. And then the other thing I have is my AirPods. So those can go on the side right here. So yeah, everything did end up fitting. I just couldn't put the sunglasses case and the mini pochette accessoire in there at the same time. So there's this. So they all fit. Does it close? Yes. It does close. No problem. And it's not like super heavy. It doesn't feel super heavy, which is really nice. Let me also put everything back in my mini pochette accessoire, because if I can, I would like to use this. So maybe I could use this and not do the sunglasses case, because I know the sunglasses case is a bit bulky as well. So I'm gonna put this in here, and then let me see if it fits with my, okay, yes, okay. So this will fit, the mini pochette accessoire will fit as long as I don't put the sunglasses case in there too. So this will fit, my wallet will fit, my AirPods will fit, and then let's just see for fun if my phone will fit in the back. Yes, my phone will still fit in here as well. And then when it comes to my sunglasses, maybe I just can't put the sunglasses in here. Maybe it's just like kind of too long, or like maybe they'll fit. Okay, so I've got everything in there. Yeah, it's not gonna close though, and I don't wanna like squish my sunglasses because these are like my favorite sunglasses. Let me take out my phone. This is kind of just awkward because I can fit everything else I need to, but my sunglasses, they just don't really know where to go. And if I put them on top, then they're just gonna be squished. If I kind of like put them over to the side like this, yeah, and now it won't close. So I don't think the sunglasses is possible. So, and plus I don't want to like force them in there and ruin them. So I'm just not gonna put them in there. I don't think it's really possible to fit sunglasses in here if you are gonna be carrying like a mini pochette or something. So let me take the mini pochette out again. So I'll have everything else in here just kind of separate. So if I do want to carry my sunglasses, I can put them in the case and I can put them in the back. So that is fine. And then I can still do my phone. And then I still can fit everything I need to. It's just my little pieces like my hand sanitizer, my headache medication, all of that, and my AirPods have to go in individually. So I can't really use my mini pochette, but everything else is in there. So it does fit a pretty decent amount of stuff. Like, look at that. That's crazy. So if I try to close it now, yeah, it still closes. It fits everything that will fit in my Songmont. Well, I can't say that because my Songmont bag is like definitely bigger than this bag. So this will fit a lot more stuff. but for a bag that is like relatively on the small side, it definitely fits a lot. There's that. And again, it doesn't feel super heavy. Yeah. It's really good. Now, there is no crossbody strap on this bag, as I'm sure you have seen. This is pretty much only a shoulder bag or a middle of the arm, like the crook of the arm situation, if you will. I think this is really nice. I love this. I think it's great. It's very fun. It's very funky. Like the shape is very nice. And then again, if you are looking for that kind of Alaya latexical vibe, you can totally get it with this bag and it will be a fraction of the price. So, but you guys, that has been my unboxing of the Freya NYC mini Christie bag, and I did show you everything that fits inside. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know if you have one of these bags or if it's on your wish list, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!